The Islamic Golden Age was a period of cultural, scientific and economic growth that occurred in the Islamic world from the 8th century to the 14th century. During this time, the Islamic world was at the forefront of intellectual and scientific progress and made significant contributions to fields such as mathematics, astronomy, medicine, philosophy and literature. The Islamic Golden Age was characterized by a flourishing of knowledge and innovation and had a profound impact on the development of Western civilization. One of the key factors that contributed to the success of the Islamic Golden Age was the Islamic emphasis on education and learning. Islam has always placed a high value on knowledge and education, and Muslim scholars and thinkers were encouraged to pursue their studies and seek out new knowledge and ideas. The Islamic Golden Age began in the 8th century with the rise of the Abbasid Caliphate, which was based in Baghdad. The Abbasid Caliphate was a cosmopolitan and multicultural society which was home to scholars, scientists and artists from all over the Islamic world. The Abbasid Caliphate was also a center of trade and commerce, and its economy was based on the production of goods such as textiles, ceramics, and metalwork. One of the most significant contributions of the Islamic Golden Age was in the field of mathematics. Muslim mathematicians made significant advances in algebra, geometry, and trigonometry, and developed the concept of zero and the decimal system. The Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi, who lived in the 9th century, is considered to be the father of algebra, and his work on the subject had a profound impact on the development of modern mathematics. Another important contribution of the Islamic Golden Age was in the field of astronomy. Muslim astronomers made significant advances in studying the stars and developed sophisticated instruments for observing the heavens. The Persian astronomer Al-Battani, who lived in the 9th century, made important observations of the positions of the stars, and his work helped to refine the astronomical tables used by astronomers for centuries. In the field of medicine, Muslim physicians made significant advances in the study of the human body and the treatment of disease. The Persian physician Al-Razi, who lived in the 9th century, was one of the most important medical thinkers of the Islamic Golden Age. His work on the treatment of smallpox and measles had a profound impact on the development of modern medicine. The Islamic Golden Age was also a time of great literary and artistic achievement. Muslim poets, writers and artists produced some of the most beautiful and influential works of art and literature in human history. The Persian poet Rumi, who lived in the 13th century, is considered to be one of the greatest poets of all time, and his works continue to be read and studied today. The Islamic Golden Age was characterized by a spirit of intellectual curiosity and innovation, and was marked by a willingness to embrace new ideas and perspectives. Another important factor that contributed to the success of the Islamic Golden Age was the Islamic tradition of tolerance and openness. The Islamic world was home to people of many different cultures and religions, and Muslim scholars and thinkers were exposed to a wide range of ideas and perspectives. This diversity of thought and experience helped to foster a spirit of intellectual curiosity and innovation. They helped to create a culture of tolerance and openness that was conducive to intellectual and scientific progress. The Islamic Golden Age had a profound impact on the development of Western civilization. Many of the scientific and philosophical ideas that emerged during the Islamic Golden Age were later adopted and developed by European scholars and thinkers and helped to shape the modern world. The works of Muslim scholars and thinkers were translated into Latin and other European languages and helped to spark a renaissance of learning and inquiry in Europe. The Islamic Golden Age also had a profound impact on the development of Islamic civilization. The achievements of Muslim scholars and thinkers helped to create a sense of pride and confidence in the Islamic world. They helped to establish the Islamic world as a center of intellectual and cultural excellence. The Islamic Golden Age helped to lay the foundations for the development of modern Islamic civilization and continues to be celebrated and remembered by Muslims around the world.
Let the power of media improve your connection to your deen and make a positive impact on your life. Download the One Islam TV app today and embark on a transformative journey of knowledge, inspiration, and spiritual growth.